My name's Ian Northeast. I've owned the car for just over 20 years.
What is it first? Tell
It's
us what
a
it is.
1965 Jensen CV8.
Well, it used to be.
No, still is. The bodywork is all standard, the chassis is standard. I've only modified the suspension, the engine, the gearbox, the interior, the rear axle, the diff, the injection system, the turbo system. And obviously the safety and security, and added a fire extinguisher. Other than that, it's completely standard.
Right. That's what I thought.
So it left the factory with this engine block, which has, and I bought it with 250,000 miles on it, from the son of the original owner.
Okay.
So I'm arguably its second owner. I mean, that's not quite what the logbook says, but it's near enough. But we've stroked the engine from 6.3 out to 8.2. And we've added the turbo, 6-speed manual gearbox from a Dodge Viper, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle with a heavily upgraded differential. We took it to Bonneville in 2018 without the turbo, just as a one-off, never to be repeated trip, and we went just fast enough to prove that we could go a lot faster.
What is just fast enough then?
Well, at that point we hit 145.
Okay.
So the car was designed to do 130.
Right. Okay.
And in 2018, all we'd done is fitted a slightly bigger engine and a Jag 5-speed gearbox,
right,
which actually exploded on the line out at Bonneville, much to the disgrace of or much to the disgust, rather, should I say, of the organisers of the event. So we brought it home, put a stronger gearbox in it, fitted the turbo. Then obviously COVID happened, so that gave me 2 more years to tune it and get it better. So we did a lot of aero work, and then we took it back out for 23, where it rained. So we only got a couple of runs, but we still managed to go up to 160 mile an hour.
Cool.
From 145 on a really, really awful track. So we went back in 24, we left the car in America, we flew back out, made a few subtle modifications, broke a few more things, managed to hit 194.
Wow.
And we then thought, right, okay, that's, so we're 6 miles, we'd come up with this idea we wanted to do 200. It was just, because we can. Exactly. So we thought we're 6 miles away, and we knew why it didn't do it in 24. So we went back last year and broke even more things, and we never quite got a good run after that. And now I've sort of run out of money, so it was bring the car home or spend a lot of money on it. Which
so sponsors apply here.
Yeah, definitely, absolutely, definitely.
So anybody watching?
Yeah.
And where does this come from? This have you done this before? Speed records and stuff?
No, absolutely not. No. So I had the standard car, which was tatty, shall we say. It was never going to win too many style awards. And I started doing a bit of sprint racing, and then one evening I was, this will come as a huge surprise, but we were sitting in the pub, and somebody said, "So how fast does your car go?" And because I'd been playing with it to make it go fast around the track. And on the walk home from the pub, I started thinking, I wonder how fast I could actually make it go. And obviously I'd seen The World's Fastest Indian, the film, and was properly inspired by that. And we have pretty much lived that entire film.
So how long ago was that you got inspired by that?
Well, 2017 was the start of it.
Okay.
We started modifying the car.
So this has just been over a decade of you trying to suddenly get in the bug to do this?
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now the next step is hopefully this winter we're going to do 2 more runs this year, probably up at Elvington in Yorkshire. And then I'm going to take it home, strip it down, and put it back on the road so that I can drive it. Yeah, I'll take the turbo off, put some suspension on it.
No. You cannot do that until you've done the 200.
Well, in that case, I'll need some sponsors, please.
Sponsors apply here.
Absolutely.
No, you've got to hit the magic 200s.
Well, I just can't afford
and
it.
I think you're carrying Wookie with you.
Yes, yeah.
Give you a bit of luck there.
That was from my daughter's contribution.
All right, well, may the force be with you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, tell everyone where they can find you.
Okay, so the website is worldsfastestjensen.co.uk. We're also on Facebook and YouTube.
If you found this video useful or entertaining, support the Brown Car Guy channel at these links, hit like, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribing. Want your brand in front of genuine car enthusiasts and a loyal motoring audience? Brown Car Guy reaches over 40,000 YouTube subscribers and hundreds of thousands of passionate viewers with credible motoring news, views, and reviews. From supercars to classics, industry insight to amazing motoring stories, this is trusted automotive content with real engagement. So, want your logo here? Sponsor the channel today.